Hi, it's Brian from Elektor TV again, this time at the Espressive booth at Embedded World 2026. And I'm here with Alan from M5Stack. How are you, Alan?
Yeah, good morning. We are having fun join for the Embedded World this year. So we are from M5Stack, so sub company from the Espressive. So I can show you what we have bring this year to all the audience today.
It's great. And Alan's the right guy to do it because he's the director of sales and marketing.
So M5Stack we just named as the modularized 5x5 centimeter stackable IoT development kit. So you can see the biggest feature is that everything can be modularized and can be stackable. So we have the M5Stack core. We have with the ESP32 inside and with the screen with the onboard sensor and a button and all battery. So we can see it's all-in-one system. And we do have the bunch of modules, and they are just designed in the same stack. So you can stack all of them all together to be the finished products. So this is the general idea from the M5Stack. And for different scenarios, we have the different M5Stack core, like stick series, Atom series, stem series, and all the things like a waterproof one, like with the key button one, like a stem PLC, and with a big screen one. And we do have the bench of sensors. Now we have run more than 200 SKUs for the sensors, so which can meet all the usage for the IoT applications. Yep.
And you've got a lot of modules here. How many of these are on the market and how many of these are selling really well?
Now we have around 400 SKUs, and we have one traditional list. Every Friday, we may release at least one new product, so we call it the Friday release. So you can monitor our social media. So every Friday we have new product, all R&D, all developed by ourselves and produced by ourselves. 5C series is huge sale, so it's less than 20 pounds. And very all-in-one LTE devices, which can using for some cyber security and for hobbyist and for all the things for POC. And second one should be the computer series. The computer with the keyboard and with the screen. So we have some scenarios for security, cyber security usage. And also, once you adding the LoRa for message application. So later on, I can show you how you can tap all the things. No need LTE, no need all the lateral, but communicate with LoRa. Here is the second demonstration. We call it the DC demo board for home assistants. So now we are running for one AI box. We call it the AI Pyramid. So just like style like the pyramid. It's running with one chipset from Extra from local China with 24 TOPS MCU. And it can now it's running for 4 techs inside. The first one is the home assistant server, and the second one is like a VVRM system. So you can we can take a picture together, right? So let's smile to this camera and take a picture. Oh, oops. See, you can see the picture. So it's just simulated from the VVRM to recognize what's inside of the picture. And we do have some supported for the the gesture control. You can see all the output from the ULOF models as so it's gesture and it's for people. And we do have the M5 table 5 to display all the things in your home. Like we can use in the dial to control about the color. You can see all the things that and choose different color. Okay. And for different volume, see like this. So all is connected data and display on the table 5. All this one is running locally. So that means no need Wi-Fi. You can just run it very well for VRM, for all the connections, and for all the recognitions in one system. So all this device is based on ESP32, and we have the sensor inside, ESP32S3 with some sensor inside, so you can get the air quality sensor. And this is M5Stack Core S3 with the ESP32S3 inside, and you can connect to environment sensor and the sensor. You get all the data. You can show it locally or just send it to some server or those things. So this is the ink display with ESP32 inside. So some of our customers are using like the ebook, so similar function like a Kindle. So you can use it like just pocket size the Kindle with you. And we do have something new like we call it a stack chain. So we just ending our campaign on Kickstarter. So we have more than 5,000 backers yet, who is just getting popular for this one. Now we call this one is the first open source AI robotics for desktop using. You can use it to connect some AI agents like OpenAI, like now we have the huge popular for Chinese Xiaozhi AI. So you can talk to it and it can reply to you and which a good company for you just using for desktop. This year for embedded world, we do have some new things. This is demo board for LoRa. So all the communication between this board is by LoRa. So as you see, this is Core S3, which we just seen now, and with module LoRa module inside. So this core just connecting with two sensors inside. You can show it just on this display, or you can send all the data to the table, the panel, the center panel for all the things. The second one, we are still in cooking, the development now, which relaunch this code tool. We call it the solar mesh. So we have the big battery inside, the waterproof. You can use it for outdoor using that. Now it's connecting to the two connectors, for dry connectors. I can still just control all the things from panel from here. Okay. Yeah, and third thing is we call Laser N1 from the Arduino. It's a collaborative products between the Arduino and the M5Stack. So this is all-in-one power devices with Wi-Fi and with LoRa inside. Now we are adding the one D-Night head on that. It's connecting all the data. It showed it here and also showing the main kernel. Yeah. This one we saw, we call it a Unit C6L with Wi-Fi and with LoRa inside. It connected with one byte switch. So if I just change about switch like channel 4, so you may similarly to check it from the panel, so it can get changed. So something like it's mostly changing. Yeah. The last one is what I said is for computer ADV with LoRa function. So yeah, let's just take something like hi. Let's make it work from here. So all the communication is through LoRa. Yep. So this is the industry panel. We have the ESP32 as a main controller with the screen and with button, and we do support for 8 channel input and output. Now we can simulate, you use it for the industry way. As what is traditional from M5Stack, everything can be modularized. So this is a power module, and this PoE module is the I/O module. So all the things can be stackable to combine to make it work. And here you may see that we have different 8 channels from there. And let's see, turn it on. So you may find it in the screen net. It's making it work. And turn on the lights. Okay. This is new thing we call the Core P4. It's based on ESP32-P4. And it's just showing all the data of all the sensors from here. And we can also just simulate using for this one. Let's change the way. So let's take a look for this PRDC. So let's make it move. So this is control clockwise, and you can even just clockwise change it like this one. Okay. Yeah. And what's in more, we can just do some changes from this one. So you may see this rotor is just rotating like this way. Okay. Okay, be stop. Yeah. And we do have the control with the D-meter, so which you can control all the LED lights. Now it's like a breeze there and a solid there, different color, and yeah, do have the speed. Let's make it a little bit faster. Yeah, you can make it work. Yeah. So actually, from the first beginning, we are also starting from the industry usage. So our standard products is more for hobbyists and the developers, and we do have a bunch of the industry users who is using our products for industry use or even commercial use. So we are carrying both the standard products and also the ODM service. robotics. So we have the AI accelerator. It's based on Elektor, the chip side with 24 TOPS. We're doing the AI card, so we are just adding the accelerator for the standard Raspberry Pi. So we can use in the Raspberry Pi. Now you can just run it for Europe, the most up-to-date the Europe demos. You can just show about everything about the gesture, people recognition, and the gesture recognition. So all the way you can see all the things is smoothly. Yeah.